Bosch cordless competence. For professionals, from professionals. Whenever professionals are in action. Wherever 100% reliability is required, you will find professional blue cordless tools from Bosch. Unlimited freedom. Full power. Small and handy. Our cordless tools meet the highest standards in power-to-weight ratio. The 10.8-volt lithium-ion tools guarantee full power at half the size. Although only half the size of a standard screwdriver, they easily meet all demands and are extremely versatile. Even working in tight spaces is no problem. The 10.8-volt lithium-ion tools, full power at half the size. The Bosch 36-volt lithium-ion tools are as powerful as corded tools. Thanks to the lithium-ion technology from Bosch, they offer full power and maximum battery life. The Bosch 36-volt lithium-ion cordless line, as powerful as corded tools. The unique Bosch lithium-ion technology provides an up to 4 times longer lifetime. This is due to the built-in electronic cell protection, ECP, which protects the battery against overload, overheating and total discharge. The screwdrivers that never give up. The 12 to 24 volt heavy-duty cordless drill drivers are also known for their exceptionally long lifetime and extreme robustness. The inside of the tool is protected against overheating by the world's first air-cooled gearbox. The outside of the tool is protected by the sturdy Dura shield housing, which can even withstand being dropped from a height of up to 2 meters without any problems. Bosch has a full range of cordless system tools. They complete their work with impressive speed, precise and reliable, quality as you have come to expect from a Bosch tool. The professional blue cordless system tools from Bosch. No matter what application, no matter where, Bosch offers the right tool for every application. The Bosch cordless tools meet the highest standards in power-to-weight ratio. For professionals, from professionals. Bosch, invented for life.